Upon startup of your Yamaha Watercraft, you're going to be prompted with the home screen here. On the home screen we have listed the speedometer, RPM, as well as the digital RPM here. It's going to be for the bow pitch and trim on the left side. Battery voltage is always going to be shown in the bottom left corner. Forward, neutral, and reverse is going to be listed right there in the bottom right corner. Your clock setting for that, and your fuel gauge over here on the right side. Next here, it's going to be a lot of your trip information. It's going to be showing the trip time. You can reset that if you want to see how long or how many hours you spend out on the water on that day. It's also going to measure the trip distance in miles, fuel average, the fuel used on that journey, the fuel rate or the gallons per hour used on the watercraft, and then all the way at the bottom is going to show the total engine hours on this machine. So next here in the middle is going to be the drive control. Feel free to reference our video that we had on the water showing our drive control system. So then lastly over here on the right side is going to be your settings. Here you will have your pin settings for setting your pin for locking and unlocking the machine and setting your security. Next is going to be your display setting. So here you can actually change from blue, green, red, and orange as a display color, and you can change the brightness down here on the bottom. Here is the wellness section on the machine, which actually is about maintenance. So the last time this machine had maintenance when it was brand new was at 0 hours, and now the machine has 1.3 hours. Once we get to that 10-hour mark, a notification will come on the screen to let you know that the machine needs to be serviced. Under the notification section, it's going to allow you to enable or disable your text messages, phone calls, or any of your media remote settings. Here under the phone manager, you can actually reference our Bluetooth device video that we had out on the water.